Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to clear location history in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To clear location history on Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. In left pane, you will find an option Privacy and Security. Click on Privacy and Security. Now scroll down. Under App Permissions, you will find Location. Click on Location. And again, scroll down. Here you will find an option Location History. And you will find a button here, Clear. To clear location history, click on the Clear button. Now location history is cleared from my Windows 11 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.